Thank you all so much for stopping by today. So I am out here a little bit earlier than what I wanted to be. I kind of got snored out. So I said, you know what? Let me go ahead, let me get up, get the day going because probably for the next week or so, we have like rain in the forecast. And one day it'll say it's going to rain, it may not, the sun will come out. So we're just going to take this opportunity today to actually pick some peppers. Now, this is what I'm going to tell y'all. I can truly say this season has been the season of the peppers. All of my peppers have performed well. We've actually canned some. And then I'm going to pick some today to put in a pasta salad, but I'm also going to freeze some as well. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So next I'm going to harvest our cayenne peppers, and I have a little section over on the other side with a few jalapeno peppers. Now the cayenne peppers have definitely done well. If you've been following us on our social media, what I've been doing is just taking them and stringing them, and then I'm going to hang them up and just let them dry, and then we'll probably make like a crushed red pepper powder out of them. But that's something I would love to see while staying in Italy. Like the Italians would string up the onions, the garlic, the peppers, and that used to just blow my mind away. So we're gonna go ahead and harvest these. I'm making sure I have my gloves on with the cayenne peppers because you don't want to mistakenly rub your eyes messing around. So here are some more of our chocolate bell peppers, and they get like a chocolate cherry color, but I'm gonna be careful with them and just let them grow down like that because they get like really heavy. We did have some problems with sun scald, but since the temperatures have kind of, not a lot, went down maybe 5 or 7 degrees, it seems like they are starting to take off. And I don't know if you all can see it, but we got a little bee in there, so hopefully we will have some more peppers that are coming as they pollinate the flowers. Honey, go ahead and pollinate them. That's right, get on up in there. So these banana peppers have been everything. Like, they're seriously been a workhorse in the garden. I am starting to notice that we got some leaf-footed nymphs on here. So we'll go ahead and start our pest control regimen on that. But we've actually canned some, and then I just can't pick them fast enough. We've canned some, we've given some away, and they just continue to produce. So this is one of the peppers that I love having in my garden every single season. Okay, so lastly, let's talk about these peppers. So make sure you follow all of our social media channels, because we put little snippets on different social media, so we want to keep you informed. Now, I know I talked bad about this plant, and it is slow, and they are slow to change. But what I can tell you is really a good pepper once they finally start to turn red. These are supposed to be a red patio pepper, and they have like a lot of fruit, but it just seems like it takes them so much longer than the other ones that we have. Now, not many of them are ready. They're starting to turn, but I'll wait maybe like 2 or 3 more days, and then we'll come out here and see. But we'll have a lot of these peppers right here that I love putting in my omelets in the morning.